Welcome to back. Today's topic that is the physiology of muscle contraction. And you know good what is meant by physiology. Muscle contraction from muscle contraction, what you can understand? You can understand that today's topic that is a muscle contraction, but physiology of muscle contraction, this is the reality topic of the today's. So what is the means by physiology? You know good way. Because physiology that is made from the two words. One is physis, another is locus. Physis means nature and locus means study. This means study of nature of muscle contraction is called physiology of muscle contraction. Okay, study of nature of muscle contraction is called physiology of muscle contraction. And in the physiology of muscle contraction, today we will read about the explanation explained. This means that physiology of muscle contraction that is explained by sliding. So today we will study about the sliding filament theory. And sliding filament theory that is explained by two teams of scientists. Okay, one team that is the Nederjalk plus A.F. Huxley, and in other team that is H.E. Huxley and Manson. Okay, two team of scientists that explained sliding filament theory in 1954. But why this name is sliding filament theory? Muscle contraction that is explained by sliding filament theory, and sliding filament theory that is explained given by two team of scientists, one that is the needle jerk and A.F. Huxley, and other is H.E. Huxley plus Manson. Okay, in 1954. Why this name is the sliding filament theory? Because thick filament, this means myosin filament that is slip on the thin filament, actin filament. So its name is sliding filament theory. Thick filament is slide on thin filament. This means myosin filament that slide on actin filament. Due to this, its name is sliding filament theory. Okay, but what happened in this? Okay, the first point that is the step of muscle contraction, that is the release of acetylcholine. First time, release of acetylcholine from motor neuron at neuromuscular junction. Okay, in the first step of muscle contraction, release of acetylcholine from motor neuron at neuromuscular junction. Okay, release of acetylcholine, first step, that is release of acetylcholine from neuromuscular, motor neuron at neuromuscular junction. Okay, second step, that is the acetylcholine binds on sarcolemma. Okay, in second step, in first step, that is release of acetylcholine from motor neuron at neuromuscular junction, and in second step, that acetylcholine binds on sarcolemma. Okay, and third step, that sarcolemma depolarized, then T tubule, L tubule are also depolarized. Okay. After that, calcium ion channel protein of L tubule opens on depolarization. Then passively transport of in calcium ion from smooth endoplasmic reticulum to sarcoplasm. Okay, from sarcoplasm. And next, that myosin binding site of thin filaments open. Myosin binding site of thin filaments open. After that, ATP hydrolyzed on myosin head provides energy to cross bridge. ATP hydrolyzed on myosin head that provides energy to cross bridge. Okay. After that, cross bridge pull thick filament toward each zone so two gel lines come close to each other and sarcomere shortens and muscle contraction occur. Okay, but in this, the which question that is asked in exams, that is this point, that during muscle contraction, never forget this point. Never forget this point because this is a very, very important point. During muscle contraction, H zone and I band disappear. H zone and I band disappear, and next that is A band unaffected. During muscle contraction, H zone and I band disappear. During muscle contraction, H zone and I band disappear. Never forget this point, that during muscle contraction, H zone and I band disappear and A band unaffected. Okay? Next, that is the event during muscle relaxation. Okay, at a time when muscle relaxation happen, how muscle relaxation will happen at a time? This means during muscle relaxation events. This means events during muscle relaxation. Okay, first of all, that L tubules are repolarized. During muscle relaxation, L tubules are repolarized. Second, that is the calcium ion pump protein of L tubules. Calcium ion pump proteins of L tubules open. Okay, that is the actively return calcium ion into a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, or that is the fresh ATP binds. Fresh ATP binds on myosin head. After that, what happened? Detached cross bridges from thin filament. Okay. After that, the Z lines return on proper page. Z lines return on proper page. Then muscle relaxation. If Z line is not in their normal phase, normal position, proper position, this means that is not in muscle relaxation, that is in muscle contraction. But if Z lines that is present on proper page, Z line returns on proper page, then muscle relaxation. Muscle fiber relax. When jade lines comes on proper place. When jade lines comes on proper place, that time muscle fiber relax. Okay?